Today I am making homemade mashed potatoes. Hey everybody, this is South Alabama Cooking, where you will find good down-home southern recipes made easy. I have some red potatoes here. Y'all, red potatoes are my favorite potato to use. I like the flavor of them, and also when you boil them, they don't just boil away and turn to mush. So I'm going to peel these potatoes and cube them up. Now, I like to make my mashed potatoes from scratch, y'all. I don't care for the instant mashed potatoes. And when I was at home growing up, Mama always made homemade mashed potatoes. And I'll tell you one of the reasons why she did that. That was because it was cheaper to cook from scratch. And there was 6 of us kids, plus Mom and Daddy. So that was 8 mouths to feed. And so Mama did her cooking from scratch. She didn't go out and buy frozen stuff. And we grew a garden every year, y'all, a 3-acre garden. And we would put all of the vegetables up from the garden, and then that's what we ate through the winter time. We ate the vegetables we had put up. Daddy was a hunter, and he would hunt deer and rabbit and squirrel and wild turkey, and that was the meat that we had to eat. So that's the way we come up. There is this trend of homesteading and, going back to the old ways and stuff like that. But y'all, that's the way I grew up. That was just normal life for me. That was just normal life for our family, y'all. We grew up that way. We had hogs, we had goats, we had cows, and we milked them cows too. I know how to milk a cow. We had chickens, and Daddy would get us kids, and we'd butcher them chickens and pluck them. Anybody ever plucked a chicken? But like I said, that was just normal life for us coming up, y'all. To me, cooking from scratch is the best food. And it's also a lot healthier for you, y'all. Now, when I have been peeling potatoes on past videos, I've had people tell me, use a potato peeler. But y'all, that ain't the way I grew up. We grew up peeling potatoes with a knife, and that's what I'm used to. Now I'm just going to cut them up into cubes. All right, now I'm going to rinse these potatoes good. You want to rinse them about a couple of times to make sure they're good and clean. Now I'm just going to add water until they're just barely covered. All right, putting them on the burner here. We're going to turn the burner on medium-high. Let them start boiling. Going to let them boil until they're tender. All right, let's check these potatoes and see if they're tender. And they are. See, that fork just sticks real easily into the potatoes. I'm going to drain the water off. Y'all, this is the way I do it. I don't use a colander. Just use my lid to hold the potatoes in there and just drain that water off just like that. All right, now I'm going to add a stick of salted butter. Going to add a little bit of minced garlic, sour cream, heavy cream, salt. And some people like to add pepper, but I'm not going to add pepper to mine. Now, I like to use a hand masher. I don't like to use the electric mixer, so I'm just going to mash these up. That's good, y'all.